Are you an Examview test generator user and you want to take your exams that you have that you've created? Let's say either you've gotten them from the textbook distributor, or let's say that you've created them over the years and you want to get them from Examview into Blackboard. Is that possible? And the answer is yes. Just a couple of steps we have to follow. So I'm just going to go ahead, and it can be either a test or a bank, doesn't really matter. I have some thrown on my desktop to make it easier for me to go find, and I'm going to open it up. So here it is, right? Now I want to take this and export it so that I can use it into Blackboard. So File, Export, Blackboard 7.1 to 9.0. And again, make sure it's going to someplace. I'm actually going to save it in my desktop, and I'm going to put it in that same folder because I'm just demonstrating for you. Let's see, I have one there. And hit save. And now this is where you have to give it a name. So you have to give it an example. And I'm just going to Control-C, Control-V because you have to have a name here under Name and under Directory. I tell it OK. It doesn't seem like it's done a lot, but it actually has. So let's minimize this. Let's go look in that folder. So now you'll notice that I have a zip file here. That's the zip file that we're going to go now pull into Blackboard. So let's go into Blackboard. And I'll just start here in this week 1 to show you, because this is my sandbox, I go play around. And let's go build an assessment. Actually, no, we need to pull it in. Sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. Scroll down here. Scroll to the bottom under Course Management, go to Course Tools. Scroll down until you find Tests, Surveys, and Pools. And then you can pull in tests, surveys, or pools. The difference, the test is just the test, like you're just going to deploy the test just as is. Surveys, if you want to get a poll for what's going on with your students, it's just going to give you the overall answers for the questions and will not tell you what each individual student's answers are. And then pools are if you want to go in and you want to pool random questions. So you know you're going to have a quiz, and let's say you have 50 questions, and you want to tell them to randomly pull 30, you can. So I usually recommend that we use the pools option for this, but it's going to depend on what you want to do. So if you want to do just a generic test and you want them to all have that same test with all the exact same test questions, then you would create the test. If you want a survey just to find out what they know, so maybe you're trying to figure out what they think they know, teach the lesson, and then at the end give an assessment. So you could kind of use it as like a very soft pre-test, just to kind of get a generic idea where the class is at and their skill level. Or you can do the pools. I'm going to demonstrate pools because that's the method I prefer to use. Let's go import a pool. Browse to my computer. This is why it's so important to know where you've got things saved to. And that's all you have to do, and hit submit. Okay, excellent. So here it is. It's been placed into there. So let's click OK. Alright, so we've pulled the test graded in Examview, and we've pulled it into Blackboard. Now, the next video I'm going to break this into steps because I'm actually going to show you how to go in and how to create a test using pools, and this can be done using anything. So you may have test questions that you've created in the Microsoft Word with the Respondus format, and you pulled it into Respondus and you pulled it into a pool. Or it might have been something that you've made from another one and you copied over and pulled it into a pool, etc. I'm going to show you in the next video how to make a test